I know. I don't blame you. I hate your house. Right on the fucking. There you go. Gotta loop it. Just 2 weeks.
Okay, yeah, how you like it? Yeah, oh, started in the summer. I don't think so. Oh, yeah?
You're a scholar.
Every day? Well, don't keep trying if it's done. Give her the certificate right now.
You should make this old Peterbilt or something.